We're going to show you how to install this cable into the trigger housing. So if your cable looks similar to this, we'll show you how to insert it into this style trigger housing. So the first thing we'll do is make sure that you depress this end of the cable just to keep this from moving around. If you don't press it, this will move in and out, and you want it to stay locked in this out position. So holding it in one hand, it's locked in place. I'll grab the cable and feed it through this big opening here. So we'll put it through, and as you can see, it exits on this side. What you want to make sure is that this ball sits right in that hole. You can let go of the cable with that hand, we don't need that anymore. And now what we'll do is on this side, we'll slide the cable and lock it in place. So I'm going to keep my finger on this ball just to keep it from coming out and apply a little bit of force. And there we have it. What I like to do after I'm done is just grab the end of this cable and pull on it a little just to make sure everything works.